Hello Linux fans. Today we're going to look at how to make you an administrator in Linux, particularly in the following situation. If you have tried to install Debian 12 lately, then you must have run into this small issue when you try to update your system. Running the command sudo apt update returns the error that user is not in the sudoers list. Now to add you on that list, there are several ways to do it, but today I'm going to show you one that is simple and does not require you to run commands in the terminal. Let's get started. Go to settings and navigate to users. As you can see, you are the only user, so we'll need to add another user. Click the unlock here and enter your password. Then under other users, we add a new user and we're going to call him John. Make sure John is an administrator. Then select set password now. Input a new password for John and confirm it. Then click add. Now with that, the first part is done. We now need to log out of this account and log in with a new user who is John. On the login page, select the username John. Input the password for John and log in. We're going to skip through the welcome page very fast so we can proceed now to settings. Go to users. And here you can see the original user is still available, but in the others section. Now we select the initial user and all we need to do is make him admin. So click unlock here and once again input the password for John. Then click here to make the initial user an administrator. And with that, part 2 is done. Let's now log out of this account so we can log back in as the initial user. For the final part, log in as the initial user. For my case, it's Alex. Let's now check that the error is gone. Open the terminal and type sudo apt update, and as you can see, that error is gone. Let's now do some cleaning up. So go to settings and under other users, select the user John and delete or remove that user, and we are done. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.